Looking for the best budget drones with insane features in 2026? Some of these can shoot at 4K, follow you automatically, and cost less than a dinner out. In today's video, we're counting down 5 amazing drones, from beginner-friendly picks to feature-packed GPS models, all at unbeatable prices. Stick till the end, because the last one might be the perfect drone for you. First item on our list is the PLEGBLE PL 515. This drone comes with a wide 130 degrees lens and a 90 degrees adjustable 4K UHD camera with 8.3 MP still resolution, giving you stunning shots. It's powered by robust, brushless motors with 3 speeds, delivering smooth flight performance. With up to 32 minutes of flight time, you can capture longer sessions without interruptions. Record videos at 3840 by 2160 resolution, while the Wi-Fi remote control ensures stable operation and smoother transmission with a range of up to 492 feet. A full charge takes 60 minutes, and it supports USB CPD charging for fast, convenient power-ups. The drone is foldable and portable, weighing under 249 grams, so there's no need for FAA registration. It offers wind resistance for stable flying even in breezy conditions, and safety features like propeller guards and a child lock make it family-friendly and worry-free. And the price is $41.49. Next item on our list is the Loolinn U61, a beginner-friendly drone that's perfect for kids. It's incredibly easy to fly, making it a great choice for beginners and young pilots just getting started. The drone also features a 90-degree adjustable camera, allowing you to capture different angles for your aerial photos and videos. For a bit of excitement, you can perform rotate stunts and enjoy playful aerial tricks right out of the box. And with built-in propeller guards, it's safe to play with, offering added protection during flights and minor bumps. The U61 also supports FPV real-time transmission, so you can see exactly what the drone sees directly on your smartphone. And for more advanced fun, you can customize the flight route, letting the drone follow a path you draw on your screen. Compact, easy to use, and packed with beginner-friendly features, the Loolinn U61 is a great choice for anyone stepping into the world of drones. And price is $69.99. Our next item on the list is the Dodoore S188, a compact, budget-friendly drone perfect for beginners and casual flyers. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry and quick to set up for on-the-go adventures. It starts with one key takeoff for effortless launching, followed by GPS intelligent positioning and optical flow for stable, accurate hovering. The 180-degree adjustable camera lets you capture flexible angles, while the 1080p HD camera handles both video and photography. With GPS follow, the drone can track your movement, and speed-adjustable modes help match your skill level. For safety, it features auto return on low power or lost signal, giving you peace of mind during flights. Powered by a 7.4V large-capacity battery, it offers decent flight time. Gesture control makes capturing shots easy, and HD photo transmission provides a clear real-time view. It also includes 360-degree obstacle avoidance and a built-in propeller guard for added protection, and it's available for just $89.99. Next item on our list is the Ameta S20, a compact GPS drone with impressive features. Weighing just 185 grams, it's ultra-light and easy to carry anywhere. With one key takeoff, you're in the air instantly. Enjoy up to 50 minutes of total flight time with 2 batteries. It features a 4K UHD camera for sharp, vibrant footage. A 12MP Sony CMOS sensor with a 90-degree adjustable lens helps you get the perfect shot. Capture photos at 3840 by 2160 resolution. Its long-distance flight capability lets you go further with confidence. GPS follow mode tracks you automatically for hands-free filming. Circle mode creates smooth cinematic shots around your subject. Waypoint navigation lets you pre-plan your flights. Time-lapse mode adds creative motion effects. Panorama mode captures wide, immersive views. Smooth FPV transmission gives you a real-time flying experience. And with return to home, the drone lands safely every time. All of this for just $99.99. Next item on our list is the Holy Stone HS440G, a beginner-friendly GPS drone designed for smooth flying and easy aerial photography. Weighing under 250 grams, it's lightweight and requires no FAA registration. It features a 4K UHD camera with a 105-degree wide angle, allowing you to capture sharp and immersive aerial shots. The drone is powered by a GPS and GLONASS system, delivering a more stable connection and precise positioning. With GPS Follow Me, the drone can automatically track your movement and keep you in the frame. The camera angle is adjustable up to 90 degrees, giving you flexibility to shoot. Circle Flight let the drone orbit around your subject. With Tap Fly, you can simply tap a point on your screen and the drone will follow that path automatically. And for safety, the one-button Return to Home ensures the drone comes back smoothly. Price: $113.99. And that's the end. Thanks for watching. Which drone did you like the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. And check out our next video. You don't want to miss it.